Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Christy Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Kylie Trail. She's brand manager for the Kentucky Beef Council. Good morning, Kylie.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Well, thanks for being here, and you have brought some delicious food for us on set today, and you have made a farmer's market salad, and it's not your traditional salad.
No, it's not. So this farmer's market salad does not include lettuce. So we've got some garbanzo beans, some brown rice, and then the rest of it you can truly find at your farmer's market.
So what are the vegetables in the salad?
So we've got some summer squash, which was grilled, along with the asparagus was grilled, and then we've got some tomatoes, and then on top we have put top round, and which you can also find from one of our 3,800 beef producers, and I'm sure there's one at the Warren County Farmers Market selling beef this summer.
And it truly looks so beautiful, and anytime you grill vegetables, it just brings out such a wonderful flavor, and we love the summer grilling season, and we are always encouraging people to get out and visit their local farmers markets.
For sure. And also, I mean, this would be a great salad to use just a leftover steak on, you know.
Yeah.
I know that I really like to pull more steaks than I need, thaw them, grill them, and then just pop them in the fridge and then reheat them the next day for like a quick lunch.
Yes, me too, Kylie. So how did you prepare this steak for the salad?
Yeah, so this top round steak, so you're going to want to marinate a top round steak. It's kind of one of the tougher cuts, so we usually say 12 to 24 hours in more of a liquid marinade. So then you're going to turn your grill to high heat to heat it up, and then back to medium heat after 5 to 10 minutes after that grill's warmed up. You're going to put your steak down on that grill, wait 10, 12 minutes, flip it. Usually your goal is to only flip it once.
Okay.
But sometimes I have to flip it twice. And then you're going to want to check the temperature. You're going to want at least 145. That's medium rare.
Now, beef is obviously a wonderful way for us to get our protein, but there are other nutrients and benefits to consuming beef, right, Kylie?
Yes, beef really packs a great nutritional punch with 10 vitamins and nutrients that our bodies need to be fueled, along with 25 grams of protein in every 3-ounce cooked serving, which 3 ounces is like a deck of cards.
Okay.
So, I mean, this would pack a big protein punch.
Absolutely. And preparing something like this would be great leftover, like you said. Now, Kylie, if someone wants more recipe inspiration from you all, where can they get that?
Yeah, for sure. So if you go to kybeef.com, we've got tips, we've got tricks, we've got everything that you could ever want for beef. If you got a on sale cut that you found at Kroger last week and you don't even know what it is, you can go, there's a butcher counter there, it's a virtual, you can just click on the cut and it'll tell you, it'll pull up all these recipes, tips on how to cook it for your eating experience to be a great one. So we have tons of recipes and resources there, as well as our social medias, KY Beef on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. They're all great.
All right, Kylie. So our food prices have been going up right now. Do you have any tips for us on how we can eat beef on a budget?
For sure. All the prices are inflated at the grocery store, and it's kind of hurting our pocketbooks. But we want you to keep beef in your grocery cart because it is such a nutritional benefit to your body. So, one of the ways that you can keep it low cost is with ground beef or those tougher cuts. The top round is one of the more economical cuts. You'll just have to marinate those. Now, with the ground beef, if you wanted to use it in a salad recipe, you could have a fun taco salad recipe and things like that. But also, your local grocery stores, they have that on sale meat. Now, I promise you, there is nothing wrong with that on sale meat. They may have just bought too much that week. So trust that your grocery stores have your back in that sense. They're not going to give you a product that is not safe.
And like you said, if someone is unsure how to prepare a certain cut, they can go to your website and navigate that and find all of the tips and tricks as well as recipe inspiration.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us today on the Farm and Home Show, and we'll see you next time.